Hi and good day to my panel, which is Dr. Diana and Dr. Sophie. I here to present my presentation for project Senamida for the title Electrical Energy Audit of Faculty of Technical and Vocational Education FPTV of University Tuan Hussein Malaysia. Firstly, my name is Mohamad Nurnazmi Afiq bin Mohamad Yusof. My matric number CA200078 and my supervisor is IR Dr. Mohamad Fairouz bin Mohamad Yusof. Firstly, I will present the meaning about the energy audit. An energy audit is an examination of energy flows with the goals of reducing energy waste and identifying areas where energy is being wasted. It is a procedure that involves collecting extensive data relating to the energy use and comparing the outcomes of the many comparisons that are made. An energy audit also was implemented for the purpose of ensuring that plants use energy effectively. An energy audit may be characterized as a process of verifying, monitoring, and analyzing the usage of energy. This process can be a component of the technical report, which comprises suggestions and an action plan for energy optimization coupled with a cost-benefit analysis. Then we move to the objective of the project. The objective of this study or project are first, to perform measurement for luminance level, temperature, humidity, and thermal imaging in the building area at Faculty of Technical and Vocational Education FPTV building. To propose energy savvy measure ASM for the building based on the finding from the analyzed measurement is the objective number 2 for this project. After that, we move to the project flowchart. So first, for the project flowchart, it depicts the work process flowchart, which begin with the building selection that have been really decided upon following consultation with the supervisor. After that, a literature review of electrical energy audits is conducted. A synopsis and assessment of all the prior work on our subject. It helps research the spot trends, gaps, and contradiction in the literature review, so they have many better plan and execute future research. It all starts with a letter to the Deputy Dean requesting permission to conduct an energy audit of FPTV building from Pejabat Pembangunan dan Penyelenggaraan. After that, we go to the walkthrough audit in the building and taking the readings of the building's temperature, humidity, and thermal energy output of this appliance during a walkthrough audit. Then we use the number that have been conducted from the analysis with the MS 1525 2014 as a yardstick to measure the average of the luminance level that we propose. If this result falls short or regulatory requirements adjustment should be suggested to bring the range of values obtained in the line of MS 1525 2014, we need to offer energy saving measures, which would be a method of decreasing the FPTV energy consumption. Improvement in this area might include installing lighting controls, updating to more energy efficient appliance, and scheduling routine electrical system maintenance. These changes are meant to lessen the facility's negative effect on the environment by decreasing its energy usage and associated expenditures. And now we move to the flowchart of the energy audit process. First, we need to do the literature review, and then identifying the building for the energy audit, and then perform the energy audit. And ASM can be proposed to the building from the analysis data that have been collected during the energy audit, and then prepare the energy audit report and thesis. And then we move to the methodology. As I mentioned before, MS 1525 2014, which is Code of Practice. It is a Malaysian Aviation Standard Authority. Standard Malaysia also accredits. Standard Malaysia promotes standards, quality control, and accreditation to improve the national economy, industrial efficiency and development, public health and safety, product safety, domestic and international trade, and international standardization cooperation. Malaysia's standards are developed by consensus by communities that include manufacturers, users, and consumers, as well as other relevant parties. Malaysian standard either fully comply with international standard or accept them. And then the Standard of Malaysia Act 1996 governs the approval procedure for Malaysian standard. And lastly, this Malaysian standard encourages the design, construction, operation, and maintenance of new and existing buildings in a way that decreases energy use without limiting creativity, building function, and occupant comfort or productivity, and suitable addresses financial issue. Any reduction will achieve these goals. And we move to the measuring equipment. For measuring the illuminance of the room or corridor, we use the lux meter, which is the equipment number 1. Lux meter or UT381 stroke UT382 luminometer. It is a kind of digital meter applying high precision digital visible light sensor and 8-bit microprocessor processing data. For the equipment number 2, which is humidity and temperature sensor, we use the UT3330 USB series USB data loggers. This equipment use high precision temperature, humidity, and atmospheric pressure sensors for long period monitor and record. And for the lastly, the equipment is thermal imager camera. We use the thermal camera XE2029. This infrared thermal imager is a widely used non-contact temperature measuring instrument with a resolution of 120 and 90. And then we move to the preliminary result. For this semester, I have done the lux measurement at the block C of the FPTV building. And the first room that I conducted the lux measurement is Electrical Technology Laboratory. For this lux measurement, we use the method that we point at the room like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then at the spot we go through the lux measurement, and the luminance level that I have obtained from the lux measurement is like this table on the right. So many of the luminance level are good and following the MS1525 2014, which is this is the range of the luminance level that should be in the room. Next, I have conducted also at the Electrical Power Supply Laboratory. For this room, I just choose 3 spots because the room is small. And then this is the result. Also good in the luminance level. After that, in the Building and Surveying Service Laboratory, also have 3 points. For the number 3, the luminance level, as you can see, is high rather than 2 of the spot. It is because of the door at the back of the laboratory. And then the lastly is Micro Teaching Lab, which is located at Block C also in level 2. So in this room, I choose to spot at 6 points. So the level, as you can see, is high because in this laboratory, I have find that there are many unusable lamps that located at the wall, and I'm not sure about the useful of the lamp, but as I suggested, the lamp should not be there because it is not suitable to be there. And then the result of the luminance level can see is high and not following the MS1525 2014. So I can conclude that I need to give a suggestion of the electrical energy consumption in this room. And then for the future plan, in next semester, I will record the measurement of luminance level for lighting by using the lux meter in other room and find more of the to give the ASM suggestion. And then record the measurement of thermal energy of equipment with thermal imaging camera. And then record measurement of temperature and humidity of surrounding by thermohydrometer. And then analyze the outcomes of the findings that have been obtained. And lastly, doing the calculation and estimation of the energy usage and energy saving for that building. So that's all for me. Thank you.